Today, I have an important topic to discuss: how to reset Windows 11. Whether you're experiencing performance issues, want to sell your PC, or simply want a fresh start, resetting your Windows 11 computer can be a game changer. So, stick around as I walk you through the process step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my tech tips and tutorials. Click on the Start button and then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select System. Scroll down and click on Recovery. If you're already on this journey, you've likely found your way to your PC's recovery section. Go ahead and click on Recovery. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with the tantalizing option to reset this PC. Now, when it comes to resetting your cherished PC, it's imperative to acquaint yourself with the choices at hand. The first, Keep My Files, serves as a guardian angel for your personal files, preserving them while gracefully erasing apps and settings. On the flip side, the second option, Remove Everything, is akin to pushing the reset button on your entire digital universe, bidding farewell to personal files, apps, and settings. And should you find yourself at a crossroads, the Help Me Choose option awaits, with your PC taking on the role of a wise guide, analyzing your usage patterns and making the optimal choice. For the sake of this tutorial, let's embark on the exhilarating journey of Remove Everything. As you make your selection, your PC springs into action, meticulously preparing itself for the grand reset ahead. Next up, you are bestowed with the power to decide how your PC shall be reborn. You opt for a cloud download where your PC ascends to the digital heavens and retrieves a pristine copy of Windows. Alternatively, you may choose the local option, keeping your digital revival close to home. For the adventurous souls among us, Help Me Choose empowers your PC to take the reins. At this pivotal juncture, your PC graciously presents additional settings, ensuring that the forthcoming reinstallation of Windows aligns perfectly with your preferences. And, lest we forget, a friendly reminder: this process will consume approximately 4 GB of data. When you are primed and ready, summon your courage and click Next. Furthermore, ensure your loyal PC is tethered to a power source, for the resetting ritual shall not proceed without this vital lifeline. Now that your PC is securely connected to a power source, it elegantly transitions into reset mode, taking a brief moment to organize its digital house. Consider this a pause for reflection. Before you take the definitive plunge, your PC issues a final, solemn reminder of what the resetting act entails: the erasure of personal profiles, settings, apps, and the grand finale, reinstalling Windows. When you stand unwavering in your resolve, confidently click the Reset button. And so, the grand reset spectacle begins. Your PC embarks on this epic odyssey by downloading the all-new Windows. This is the part where you can indulge in a well-deserved coffee break or perhaps contemplate the digital rebirth that awaits. After the digital symphony unfolds, your PC triumphantly downloads and installs Windows. At long last, your PC stands at the threshold of a fresh start, awaiting your guidance to rekindle its digital existence. Congratulations! You've masterfully orchestrated the reset of your Windows PC, granting it a rejuvenated lease on life. With the curtains now drawn on our tutorial, we hope this immersive journey has not only enriched your knowledge, but also provided an enjoyable experience. If you found this video to be a valuable resource, don't forget to give it an enthusiastic thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe for an ongoing supply of enriching tech tutorials. Should you have any questions or require further assistance, please don't hesitate to deposit your inquiries in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. Until next time, goodbye.